Brendan Donovan was one of the hottest trade chips heading into the offseason, so why hasn't the St. Louis Cardinals moved him yet? Cardinals president of baseball operations Chaim has been clear from the start: Donovan won't be traded unless the offer is truly jaw-dropping. That hasn't happened, and the reasons might be more complicated than they appear. Part of it could involve a pair of unlikely trades elsewhere that are holding up Donovan's market. The first involves Nico Hoerner of the Chicago Cubs. The Cubs were reportedly open to offers, and the San Francisco Giants, also a potential destination for Donovan, have been linked to Hoerner. Now, with the Cubs signing Alex Bregman, Hoerner seems less likely to move, though the option hasn't been fully closed. The Seattle Mariners have also been rumored as potential suitors for Hoerner if Donovan's price tag is too steep, adding another layer of uncertainty. Then there's CJ Abrams of the Washington Nationals. Reports indicate the Nats have been listening on offers, though GM Paul Taboni stresses it's unlikely they'll actually deal him. The distinction between listening and shopping matters, but it could be enough for teams like the Giants and Mariners to hesitate before offering top prospects for Donovan. With the market clouded by the potential movement of Hoerner or Abrams, Donovan's trade value is in a kind of limbo. Even after Bo Bichette found a landing spot, nothing has changed with Donovan. Bloom is still holding out for an offer that meets his standards, and until then, Donovan remains in St. Louis. Keeping him is a gamble. Injuries or a loss of control could diminish his value, but trading for anything less than a knockout package wouldn't make sense. Spring training is just weeks away, which means there's still time for a blockbuster deal. But the reality is that the Hoerner and Abrams rumors may just be mirages, distractions keeping teams from making their best offer. If those possibilities fade, Donovan's trade market could suddenly become crystal clear. Until then, the Cardinals are playing the waiting game, confident that patience could pay off. Whether they keep him or finally pull the trigger, one thing is certain: Brendan Donovan remains one of the most intriguing trade stories of the offseason, a player whose value commands attention, strategy, and a little suspense.